What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day in my life. So today's day is going to be very exciting because we are throwing a surprise birthday party for Adya. If you don't know who Adya is a really close friend of mine, and also she happens to be Aditya's sister, who is again a really close friend of mine. So last year actually we threw her a birthday party as well. It was like a friends themed surprise birthday party and I actually vlogged the whole thing, but for some reason never ended up posting it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna play some of the clips from last year because actually it turned out so cute. Like we put so much of effort in like the decor and just the thought behind it, and it turned out really cute. So in case you're looking for like inspo when it comes to like a themed birthday party, I hope this helps you. So live update, it's been 15 minutes and she's still changing. Adi, what do you have to say? Call 3, 2, 1 and come in. Come in! So back to today's surprise. So this year we're going to be throwing her a wine and cheese party. So basically like a wine tasting party. The thought behind this is that we've been meaning to go to Sula for like a wine tasting for the longest time. Like ever since I've known her, we made this plan, I feel like within the first month of us meeting, and we never really got around to doing it, of course because of COVID and stuff like that. So since we can't go for a wine tasting to Sula, I thought I would bring it to her. So we're going to be throwing her like a mini wine tasting party. So today is the 30th of January. Tomorrow is her birthday, but we're going to be doing it one day in advance, like to bring in her birthday. So this morning I woke up at like 9. I've been working since 9:30. I've been cleaning the house. So the thing is that I could have easily just cleaned the room that we're having the party in, but then I am a little psycho and I cleaned the whole house, and I could not have been able to do it without Aditya and Jatin. They helped me so much. I wanted to get the whole house clean because I know people are gonna come over, people are gonna stay, so I wanted my house to be nice and clean. I washed all of my linens, bed sheets, everything super clean and super nice for everyone, and I'm really happy. But I digress. Coming back to today's party, we're gonna be hosting the party in my walk-in closet. So by this point I have posted my walk-in closet tour, so link is gonna be down below. If you haven't watched it already, check it out. But we're gonna be having it in my walk-in closet because it's the biggest room in the house, and also we haven't done much in that room. Like when it comes to like celebrations, we usually hang out in the living room, so I thought it would be nice, like a nice change of scenery. So that's what's happening. Actually I'm gonna rewind to yesterday night when we went for like a mini shopping trip. Okay, so stop number 1 is to go to Nature's Basket to pick up wine, to pick up cheese, to pick up crackers, and we're running very late because आजकल सब जल्दी बंद हो जाता है. So I hope we make it in time. So we're here and both of us have no idea what to pick. So we're just picking random wines. We've decided on getting 8. I think it should be enough. Actually it'd be way more than enough, but huh. So we got some cheese. Again, no idea what we're doing, but we just literally picked random cheeses. So back to today, it is 7 o'clock right now. You can't see, but it's 7:03 right now. And I got ready 15 minutes पहले. नहा लिया मैंने, थोड़ा सा मेकअप कर लिया, आउटफिट बाद में चेंज कर लेंगे. But now finally, since everything is clean, we can start with the setup. So earlier today we blew up a bunch of balloons for like a balloon garland that we're going to be making. I got a kit from Amazon. I'll of course link the kit also in the description box, but in case you want to recreate like a garland, like a very similar garland. So that's what we did. Also we rented a pump, like an electric pump, because we blew I think 100 plus balloons and there was no way that we were going to do it like manually. So that was nice. 100 rupees deke hum log ne rent pe le liya for 3 hours. So this is what the room looks like right now. We have a bunch of balloons. Also, the reason why I'm doing green is because Adya's favorite color is green. So the boys have gone out to run some last minute errands. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean everything up. Everything's everywhere, so thoda sa sorting kar lete hain. Look who's here.
हम तो पहले से रहते हैं.
हाँ, सिद्धि अभी जस्ट आई, तो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रेप. कम ऑन. सो आई थिंक एग्जैक्टली नहीं, 1 साल 1 महीने पहले सिद्धि ने ये लिखा था फॉर माई पेरेंट्स 25th एनिवर्सरी. ये लिखा था हे यू स्नैप अ पिक व्हाटएवर, और आगे पोलरॉइड्स रखे थे फॉर एवरीवन टू टेक पिक्चर्स. एंड नाउ शी इज राइटिंग फॉर आद्या. क्या लिख रहे हैं अपन? क्या था? Pinterest पे I found this quote which says, खो गया मेरे से, but I'm just gonna like say what I remember. It said, you can't just live by wine, add some cheese. So I think that's what we're going with because it adds, I mean, it has both the elements, wine भी और cheese भी. So समझ गए क्या लिखना है? Cool. Okay, तो अभी मेन बनाना है बलून गार्लैंड. Okay, so I got a kit from Amazon. I think I mentioned ना पहले. Either ways, I'll link it down below. वो kit में एक balloon strip आया था. Show me what it looks like. So it's basically like a plastic का strip. You can get this from any like local party store. I'll show you how and what you're supposed to do. So of course we've blown out like 100 balloons, and we'll take the strip and we'll start inserting the balloons in the strip. ये ऐसा hole है यहाँ पर. Okay, so you're supposed to insert ये उसके अंदर
बलून का जो गाठ है बेसिकली.
गाठ है, हाँ. एंड देन यहाँ पे लॉक है. 2 मिनट रुक, मैं दिखा देती हूँ लॉक कैसा दिखता है.
रुक एक सेकंड. ये पूरा अंदर तक डालने का.
हाँ, और फिर पुल.
स्लाइड.
या स्लाइड इट.
वो छोटे होल की तरफ. सो
करेक्ट, सो इट्स लॉक्ड. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोना डू दिस 100 मोर टाइम्स एंड देन वी विल कैच यू लेटर. Okay, so this is what the garland looks like so far. अभी इसको फिगर आउट करना है कैसे चिपकाना है और अच्छा सा क्यूट ऐसा डिजाइन बनाना है.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे क्या नहीं.
तो अभी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कैसे करना है. We're struggling really hard. We're gonna watch a YouTube tutorial. So we figured something out. ऐसा एक नाड़ा लिया है और नाड़ा से टाई कर रहे हैं.
आदि के शॉर्ट्स का नाड़ा है.
ले ऊपर ले ऊपर ले और ऊपर.
आदि शॉर्ट संभाल, नाड़ा उधर है.
I think looks good. So this is what we've come up with. ऊपर एक नाड़ा है and then यहाँ पे भी एक नाड़ा लगा है. I don't love it, like I don't love the wave, but this is the best that we can do. So I've saved these really nice confetti wale balloons. So these I'm gonna stick using these little double-sided tape thing that I have. This was a part of the kit. So I'm just gonna use this and stick it in like random spots basically. So I'm just gonna quickly make the charcuterie board. I think that's how you say it, which is basically like a cheese board. So I got a bunch of different cheese you saw from yesterday's clip from Nature's Basket. तो ये सारे मैं अभी cutely chop करके arrange करने वाली हूँ. That's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Basically, अभी are you getting awkward? It's okay. Tell them what you told Adu.
I told her that we are going out for dinner, so I'm coming to pick you up, and I have bought a gift.
Correct. Which is the dress, which I'll show you one second. So all of us are wearing green, like an emerald green. So these are the two options. Which one do you think she'd like more? Left. I got both of these. Yeah, even Adi liked this one. Okay.
Because it's floral.
Correct. So she'll wear this. So he's gonna wrap this up, take it niche, say ki dress up, we're going out, and then he'll bring her here. I don't know how you're gonna bring her here. Yeah, so this is ulti back, yeah. Okay. She'll figure. No, it's the front, sorry. Anyways, that's not the point. Yeah, we'll vlog next.
You figure it out first.
So this is what the cake looks like. This is not what we had asked for. but this is what we have. तो बीच में एक slot है for us to put the wine का bottle. Okay, so we're really rushing. ये बार कार्ट है IKEA से और उसमें मैं वाइन्स लगा रही हूँ. जल्दी 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 वाइन्स लाओ सब लोग. So I've changed really quickly and I think we have like 10 minutes to go. By the way, if you are wondering, this dress is from Forever 21. I am so nervous. It's like minutes before she comes here and I usually get like very nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Everything's ready for the most part. Okay, let's go. So this is minutes before they come. So the plan is सब लोग wine का glass हाथ में लेंगे and when she enters क्या बोलना है?
Cheers.
No, happy birthday and then cheers.
क्या स्क्रिप्ट रखा है? सन्मान हो ब्रो.
ये देखो वाइन सिर्फ डाल के रखने का.
हाँ पीना नहीं है, सिर्फ थोड़ा कम कम डाल, उतना नहीं.
नहीं भाई मैं तो घटक जाएगा.
हाँ इसके लिए बोल रहे कम कम डाल. और कोई पीना नहीं है. We have to do a cheers with Adu. So we've switched on the lamp and ring light yellow पे so that it looks like really nice and yellow and pretty. हटो सब लोग, सबकी टांगे आ रही है. So we just had a scare. Bell baji and we thought they came, but then it was actually our food. We ordered some biryani because Adu really likes it. So yeah, Adu is as usual running late. So we're just waiting on her.
Happy birthday! Cheers!
Oh my god! This is so cute!
Adu को सब लोग एक एक करके in short explain करो what is this party?
Yes!
उधर से.
This is your winning or whining and dining.
जिसका spelling wrong है. Of course, has to be a typo.
But I get the point.
हमारे लिए किया ना वो.
Yeah. So basically, we couldn't get Sula. I mean, we couldn't go to Sula.
Okay.
So we got Sula for you.
Wine and dine with cheese.
Yes, there's a
So cheers
cheese
करते हैं अभी?
platter.
Of course.
Okay, let's cheers. ठीक है. Cheers.
Cheers, guys! Thank you.
Happy birthday.
काफी
Happy birthday.
नहलाना और कुछ
कोई
Wait.
कोई लाइट फोटो.
To you. Happy birthday. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Hi, so this is the end of the vlog. All of us slept at like 7 o'clock in the morning and all of us had a great time. I think Adu really liked the whole surprise as well. This was the first party of the year. There are so many more coming your way. So stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!